Everybody is talking about AI. Some people are excited, some people are terrified. They're worried that AI is replacing jobs, replacing people, replacing entire careers. But after spending the last few years learning these tools myself, I honestly think that people are looking at AI completely the wrong way. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Laiken, and I went from being a burnt out, exhausted travel agent to helping complete beginners build valuable digital skills using simple, free and affordable online tools that anybody can learn. And if technology has ever made you feel overwhelmed, or if you've ever thought, I'm just not good enough with computers, then this video is definitely for you, because AI isn't making digital skills less valuable, they're making them more valuable. And here's why: because AI can help you write, AI can help you create images, AI can help you edit videos, and AI can even help you brainstorm ideas. But AI still needs someone to know how to use it. AI still needs someone to understand the basics, someone who knows how to ask the right questions, someone who is willing to learn. And that is why I believe that digital skills are becoming one of the most valuable things that you can learn in 2026. A few years ago, I wasn't some tech expert. I was working long hours as a travel agent. I was exhausted, I was burnt out, and honestly, technology intimidated me too. I thought that everybody else understood it way better than what I did. But little by little, I started learning one simple skill at a time. Not overnight, not perfectly, just consistently. And those small digital skills completely changed the way that I see technology today. And later in this video, I'm going to share with you one digital skill that I believe every beginner should learn first, because it's the foundation of almost everything that you will do online. Years ago, knowing information was valuable. Today, information is everywhere. ChatGPT can answer almost anything in seconds. So the value isn't in knowing information anymore. The value is knowing how to use it. That is the skill. And one of those skills is learning how social media actually works. Not scrolling it, but understanding how to build and create helpful content, how to reach the right people, how to build trust, and how to turn those skills into opportunities. And you don't need to be on every single platform. In fact, I recommend mastering one first. For me, that was TikTok, but now I've moved over to YouTube, because videos that you create today can still help people months from now, even years from now. And if you've been looking for a simple place to start, I've put together a free guide and I've linked it down in the description below. And if you want to learn exactly how you can build a social media account that could eventually earn you something extra on the side without feeling overwhelmed by technology, go ahead and give this channel a follow, and then comment the word "send" down below. Check your inbox afterwards, because I'm going to send you free access to a step-by-step training video that will help you get started. Technology isn't slowing down and AI is not going away, but that does not mean that you're being left behind. You don't need to know everything. You don't need expensive software. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need years of experience. You just need to start learning one digital skill at a time. And that is exactly why I built this channel, to help and guide you in a beginner-friendly way. And I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you in the next one.